Comparing countertop grills. Cuisinart GR-5BP1 electric griddler, 5 versus competitors. When considering a versatile countertop grill, the Cuisinart GR-5BP1 electric griddler 5 offers a compelling blend of functionality and convenience. To highlight its advantages, let's compare it with two competitors available on Amazon, the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill and the Greenpan Electric Indoor Stainless Steel 6-in-1 Contact Grill and Griddle. High searing heat. This grill achieves high temperatures that lock in juices and flavors, providing authentic grill marks and taste. Adjustable temperature control. Allows precise cooking with adjustable temperature settings, catering to various recipes. Removable hood and drip tray. Features a removable hood, non-stick plate, and drip tray for easy cleaning. Limited cooking functions. Primarily designed for grilling, it lacks the multifunctionality of some competitors, such as griddling or panini pressing. Size. The grill size may be bulky for some kitchen countertops, requiring ample storage space. Versatile cooking options. Offers 6 cooking functions, including contact grill, griddle, and open grill, providing flexibility in meal preparation. Reversible plates. Comes with reversible grill and griddle plates, and optional waffle plates, sold separately, enhancing its versatility. PFAS-free nonstick coating. Utilizes a diamond-infused ceramic nonstick coating that is free from PFAS, promoting healthier cooking. Price point. As a premium appliance, it comes with a higher price tag, which may not suit all budgets. Complexity. The multiple functions and accessories may present a learning curve for some users. 5-in-1 functionality. Serves as a contact grill, panini press, full griddle, and half grill, half griddle, offering extensive cooking versatility. LCD display. Features a user-friendly LCD display that shows function, temperature, and timer, simplifying operation. Wide temperature range with sear function. Provides a broad temperature range and a dedicated sear function, allowing for precise cooking control. Removable and dishwasher-safe plates. Equipped with removable, reversible, and dishwasher-safe non-stick cooking plates for easy cleaning. Counter space. While versatile, its footprint may require adequate counter space, which could be a consideration for smaller kitchens. Preheating time. Some users have noted that it may require a few minutes to reach the desired cooking temperature. While the Hamilton Beach and Greenpan grills offer notable features, the Cuisinart GR-5BP1 electric griddler 5 distinguishes itself with its 5-in-1 functionality, intuitive LCD display, and user-friendly design. For those seeking a versatile and efficient countertop grill that can handle a variety of cooking tasks with ease, the Cuisinart Griddler 5 presents an excellent choice.